Before rolling a die, you don't know the result. This is an example of random experiment. In particularly, a random experiment is a process by which we observe something uncertain. After the experiment, the result of the random experiment is known. An outcome is the result of the random experiment. The set of all possible outcomes is called as sample space. Thus, in the concept of a random experiment, the sample space is our universal set. Let's see some example. Tossing a coin. It is an example of random experiment where the sample space is head and tail, and rolling a die. It is a random experiment where the sample space is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till 6. So when we repeat a random experiment several times, we call each one of them as a trial. Thus, a trial in a particular performance of a random experiment. In the example of tossing a coin, each trial will result in their head or a tail. And please note that the sample space is defined based on how you define your random experiment. For example, we toss a coin 3 times and observe the head and tails. The sample space here contains 8 possibilities. So our goal is to assign probability to certain events. Summary. Outcome. It is a result of a random experiment. Sample space. It is a set of all possible outcomes, and whereas event is a subset of small spaces. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.